This is how you stop your container plants from wilting at noon with 3 shade strategies. And the #1 mistake that wastes your water trying to drown them is at the end. Now, if you have ever walked out to your patio or balcony on a hot summer afternoon and found your plants hanging limp and looking absolutely defeated, I want you to know that you are not doing anything wrong. Heat wilting in container plants is one of the most common and most misunderstood things that happens during summer. And the good news is, once you understand what is actually going on, you can do something about it quickly and without spending very much money at all. Let me walk you through 3 strategies that work together to keep your containers cooler and your plants happier through the hottest part of the day. Step 1 is to hang a shade cloth over your containers. You can find these at any hardware store or garden center, and what you want is one with around 20% light filtration. That means it is not blocking out all the sun, just softening it. When direct sunlight hits a leaf on a hot day, the surface temperature of that leaf can climb well above the air temperature around it. A shade cloth brings that leaf surface temperature down by as much as 10 degrees, which makes a very real difference to how much stress your plant is carrying. The cloth lets in plenty of light for your plants to keep growing. It just takes the edge off that fierce midday sun. Step 2 is to think carefully about where your containers are sitting and move them if you can. What you are aiming for is a spot that still catches the gentler morning light but falls into shade by around 1 o'clock in the afternoon. That is roughly when solar radiation is at its peak and when the air itself is at its hottest. Morning light is kind and productive. That harsh afternoon sun is what tips your plants over the edge. If you have containers on wheels, this becomes very easy to manage. Even shifting them a few feet closer to a wall or under an overhang can make all the difference. Step 3 is to put down a 2-inch layer of organic mulch on top of the soil in your containers. I know mulching in containers can feel like something only people with big garden beds do, but I promise it is just as valuable in a pot. That layer of mulch sits between the hot air and your soil. It stops the surface from drying out in minutes. It reflects some of the radiant heat away, and it keeps the temperature around your roots far more stable. When the air temperature climbs past 90 degrees Fahrenheit, the soil in an unprotected container can get dangerously warm. Your roots live in that soil, and they need it to stay cool and moist. Mulch does that job quietly and reliably all season long. Now, here is the #1 mistake I see people make, and it is the one promised at the start. So let us talk about it plainly. When you see your container plants wilting at midday, the most natural thing in the world is to reach for the watering can. The leaves are drooping, the plant looks thirsty, so you water it, and you water it generously because you want to help. But here is what is actually happening. When a plant wilts in high heat, it is very often not wilting because it is dry. It is wilting because it is protecting itself. Plants close the tiny pores on their leaves during the hottest part of the day to slow down water loss from inside the plant. That drooping is a defense response, not a distress signal about the soil. If you pour water onto soil that is already damp, that water has nowhere useful to go. It fills in the air pockets between the soil particles, and roots need those air pockets to breathe. Without oxygen around the roots, they begin to break down within about 48 hours. What starts as a wilting problem on a hot afternoon can turn into root rot within a few days, and that is very difficult to come back from. So before you water, always push your finger an inch or 2 into the soil. If it still feels damp, put the watering can down. Give your plant some shade instead. Let the temperature drop as the afternoon moves on, and you will very likely find those leaves perking back up on their own by early evening. Once you start applying these 3 strategies together, most container plants settle into a much more stable rhythm within about 24 hours. The wilting at noon becomes less frequent, the soil holds its moisture longer, and you stop losing plants to heat stress or accidental overwatering. If wilting container plants in summer heat is something you are dealing with right now, this channel covers practical container gardening guidance for small spaces every single week.